In the previous video, we explored the 360-degree panorama feature. Now, let us learn how to create elevation profiles using the Path Profile tool. To begin, click the Path Profile button on the right side toolbar. The tool provides 3 profile options: Surface Profile, using DSM data; Terrain Profile, using DTM data; and a comparison of DSM versus DTM. Let us start with the Surface Profile option. A digital surface model represents the elevation of the visible surface, including the ground, vegetation, buildings, walls, and other structures. Select Surface Profile, then mark the required points on the orthophoto to draw a path. Once the path is created, a graph appears at the bottom of the screen, displaying the surface elevation along the selected path. Next, let us create a terrain profile. A digital terrain model represents the elevation of the bare ground, with surface objects such as buildings and vegetation removed. Select Terrain Profile, then mark 2 points on the orthophoto to define the path. The graph displays how the underlying ground elevation changes along the selected path. This is useful for understanding the natural slope and terrain level of the area. Finally, select the DSM versus DTM option to compare both elevation profiles along the same path. Mark the required points on the orthophoto and the comparison graph will appear. The red line represents the DSM surface elevation, while the blue line represents the DTM ground elevation. The difference between these lines helps identify the approximate height of buildings, vegetation, and other objects above the ground. By using the Path Profile tool, you can quickly analyze surface features, ground terrain, and elevation differences directly from the orthophoto,